I see the fellowship as a milestone in my social change journey.
I was feeling that although many of the people I worked with and acted with said that we had all the answers and we just needed to implement them, I did not feel like we had all the answers.
Before I joined this fellowship, I was lacking a theoretical basis for the real structural problems that we face in our society.
I work in bringing together collaborations around environmental sustainability, and I was finding it difficult to pinpoint where I was creating change.
When I'm dealing with problems like inequality, it's hard to fix one part of this and expect that the whole situation will change unless we understand the whole scenario.
What this program has given to me
Was to connect with people who were passionate about different forms of inequalities.
I really felt I needed to replenish my own reserve of knowledge and networks and connections.
and I thought, okay, this is the place in which I want to be understanding what inequality really means.
This program will help you gain knowledge, skills, and capacities for you to be able to tackle inequalities in your home context.
The Atlantic Fellows program allows us to come together and see one another and see how we are all different pieces of this puzzle in creating change.
It was, for me personally, about understanding where the forefront of new thinking was and being able to join that forefront.
Most importantly, the program helped me to ask good questions. In my context, asking a question is not welcomed, not encouraged, but now I know that if I do not ask the right questions, perhaps I will work in the international development sector forever and solve someone else's problems in the wrong manner.
Our program is located at the International Inequalities Institute at the London School of Economics. This means that you will have access to world-leading, cutting-edge research on inequalities.
The really exciting stuff starts when you end the program, actually, and the whole world opens to you, because then you realize that the problems that you were studying are the ones that you want to solve.
The most powerful thing the fellowship has given me is invited me into a new community, made me feel part of a new community.
Now I know that whenever there's a problem, other people are fighting similar things in other parts of the world, and I can tap into their expertise, I can ask them questions, I can get their support.
You become part of a wider, global, diverse community of actors who are working collectively and individually to affect change around inequalities across the globe.
I'm an international development practitioner.
I am a sustainability strategist.
I'm a human being.
If you're wondering if you're the right kind of person for the program, the program welcomes people from a very broad range, but it also welcomes people who don't fit neatly within particular categories.
We are a program that seeks to bring together thinkers, doers, and change makers. Beyond the active fellowship year, we continue to work with you for life by helping provide opportunities for you to learn, to develop, and to connect.
I would say if you're feeling called to do more, or to explore more, or to see ways in which you can grow to do more, apply to the fellowship. What do you have to lose?
What we are going to require is a network of powerful individuals at all levels of society who are going to be able to work collectively to influence leaders, to organize communities, and to demand and reshape and reorganize our society. And that's what this fellowship does.